Welcome to Projects for All. My name's Mike, and today we're going to check out Icon's little mini ratchet set. Now, this is pretty small for this channel. We don't usually do little stuff like this, but I bought this for myself maybe, I don't know, a year and a half ago or so, and I constantly am finding new uses for this. It is one of the most helpful little tool sets I've bought in a long time. Come on in here and let's just have a look at this thing. Let's start with the case, because even the case is kind of a marvel, because this comes from Harbor Freight. So I don't expect super high quality stuff from Harbor Freight. I'm sorry, I know some people out there absolutely feel Harbor Freight is the pinnacle of quality, but usually it's not. They do, however, occasionally come up with some seriously innovative stuff, and this is one of the highest quality things I've bought from Harbor Freight in a long time. And I have a lot of Harbor Freight stuff, honestly. You got a fairly large hinge pin with some pretty stout plastic on the back of this thing, holding this all together, and it latches tight. It's got a real positive latch on it. It's got some nice overmolding. I mean, this is a year and a half old. I throw this in toolboxes. It gets banged around. It looks brand spanking new still, except for whatever that is, a little dirt. Opening it up, you have a ratchet, you have an extension, and you have a full set of bits. 6 Phillips, 2 sides of flathead. You have torques ranging from T6 all the way up to T40, and these are the security ones. 11 Torx bits in all. Allen ranging from 1.5 millimeters to 8 millimeters. And then you have 4 US sizes. Adapter for 1/4 inch for regular sockets, chrome plated. This ratchet here is actually very nicely done. It's good quality. The chrome's decent. Multiple teeth on it, so it can be adjusted, and it locks up tight. I mean, I can move it a little if I force it, but I mean, how rough are you really going to be with this little thing, man? It is just a little bigger than my middle finger. So it's pass-through design. 2-sided. Push button, spring-loaded push button to adjust angle of the head, and it locks. It is, of course, reversible. It's got a knurled, I can barely show you this stuff. It's got a knurled ring on the backside here. Makes it very easy to turn by hand. If you just get a finger in there with it, you can turn it. The extension here is magnetic, chrome plated, looks nice. You'll notice here it's got one flat edge, so every edge is square except for that edge right there. And you can see those little hash marks or dots on there. That corresponds with the dot here. So if I line those marks up with that dot, that makes it a T-handle, which is very nice. On this side, it will only pass through. It won't fit in any other way. So it's actually nice, because if you go to this side and just turn it, and it'll pass through. If you go to this side, lining the hash marks up with the dot, and it passes through, or not lining the hash marks up, and it won't pass through, and now it's an extension. A little bit of play in it, but not bad. Grab your extension, magnetically fits in there, and now you have the smallest head, longest 1/4 inch ratchet that I've ever seen. I've never seen a ratchet this small. That is crazy. Almost 8 inches long with less than 3/4 inch wide head on it. That's crazy. If we put our 1/4 inch adapter in there, throw this wobble extension on here, tell me you couldn't fit that into just about any space. I'm sure the teeth on this aren't crazy. I've never skipped a tooth on this, but who's putting crazy torque on it? Like, you're not going to want to put a lot of torque on this. But you know what, man? If you really need the access, You can't really beat that. I have one other mini ratchet. Wasn't originally mine, but I sort of inherited it. This is Silver Eagle. I don't know if it was part of a set or not, but it has none of the nice features that the Icon has. It is, of course, a mini ratchet, so there is, I don't know if there's a magnet in this or not. You push them down and they just kind of slot in. So Phillips 3, the head of this one, the Silver Eagle, is bigger. They are pretty comparable in size. But for my money, all the extra functionality of this tilting head is key. A tilting head ratchet, it's pretty much all I use, honestly. When it comes to just about any ratchet, this is my SnapOn from a million years ago. They are fairly comparable, I suppose. The head on the SnapOn, probably more durable. There is 10 mil, there's 3/8. With the extension just a little bit longer on the Icon versus the miniature SnapOn. But man, what did this SnapOn ratchet cost? Probably 125 bucks new. And you can basically get the same functionality out of this $40 tool and have all these other functions also. Yeah, less than 1.5 inches. It's a little bit smaller on the SnapOn. But here's the typical ratchet. There's 1/4 inch, this old school Craftsman. This is probably a better representative of your average person's ratchet. Much bigger, much bigger. Before I bought the Icon, this was pretty much my option in this garage, in my shop. If I was trying to get into a tight space for like Phillips or flat. There's Phillips, there's flat. But this would have been my best option. This is 3/8. 3/8 ratchet. It's practically 3 inches. That was my shallowest option. That is quite the difference. Quite the difference in size. And this has become seriously helpful. From kitchen faucets and those little set screws, also locks, a lot of latches have them. This little thing has been just fantastic for that sort of thing. Also, you can get in there when it won't ratchet anymore and just turn it. And man, is that helpful. Using other adapters, there's 3/8. Crazy, 3/8. Not 100% sure why you would do that, but you have the option. So, for 40 bucks, literally my favorite little tool that I've bought in quite a long time. Here is the SnapOn equivalent to it, I guess. We'll call it equivalent in size. A little bit bigger, considerably bigger head. Costs a small fortune. This costs 40 bucks. Honestly, if you don't own one of these things, I highly recommend you go out and buy one. If you can find it, because they sell out a lot at Harbor Freight, and I had to wait to get this one and watch for it. So keep an eye out. You guys tell me what you think. In the end, your opinion's all that matters. Do you guys have a set similar to this that I didn't notice? There are a few. SunX, I've seen a couple different ones. If you haven't seen this, I think it was worth a small video to show it to you because it is seriously, seriously useful. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.